going to take the dirt that he's digging out of here and put it in this area to level out our driveway. So right now it pretty much goes downhill, and we want it more level. So it's great that we have this free dirt. Throwing dirt underneath the tank to make it level. And this isn't the kind of thing that vibrates and potentially makes a hole in the tank, right? Checking for level. Do you need help?
I figured I need to just put it, it's good this way, but I need to. No, this is fine.
I already asked. Sure, I'm ready. I'm just saying it. Wrong. That was very down here. I'm probably going to put a little pathway that goes down to that level. Maybe grass or something. Or something I don't have to mow.
Oh, yeah.
bringing dirt over so he can level that area off from the base of the cement structure to the top of those septic tanks. It looks a bit lower, but I'm sure he'll do a good job with it. Starting the leach field now. Okay, this is the leach field. Starting of it. Sorry?
I get that much dirt,
I know. That's why
gotta work out.
that's why I knew to rent an excavator.
I end up doing everything with really good portion
I think you're right.
electric, water.
So he's got to put 2 rows of this leach field in, and I think he's digging the second one. It has to go, I don't know how far down from this first one here, but it's got to go down there, and I think that's what he's digging up now. He's got to get past all of these walnut tree roots, and there's a lot of them. But he dug these walnut tree roots out like it was nothing, so pretty amazing. What's amazing are his talent, plus also an excavator is just an amazing tool. The idea is to hook up this one, because this is the top line. It goes up there, comes from the septic tank, comes down here, and then filters down to this one. And the guy said, you probably never have any excrement down here. But these two hook up to each other. So by the time it gets down here, he said it'll probably never be used. And I kind of doubt it. I never see that kind of a amount of, yeah, excrement coming in this place. So anyway, that's how it works.